Hi everyone, I'm Advocate Akhil Solanki, Associate with Lexis and Company. So today we're going to discuss Karnataka High Court's view on embargo under Section 70 of Karnataka Cooperative Society Acts not attracted if minimum wages not paid to workers. The Karnataka High Court has made it clear that workmen employed at the Indian Coffee Workers Cooperative Society, if not paid minimum wages as prescribed, can make an application to the appropriate authority constituted under the Minimum Wages Act to consider their claim for recovery of minimum wages. Further, it has said that Section 70 of the Karnataka Cooperative Society Act does not impose any embargo on an authority under the Minimum Wages Act to consider the claim. A single judge, Justice Suraj Govindaraj, made the observation while dismissing a petition filed by the society seeking to declare the order passed by the authority, by which it directed the society for payment of minimum wages to the workmen. The primary contention of the society challenging the order was that the authority under the Minimum Wages Act has no jurisdiction and authority to decide any dispute and or claim made by the workmen as regards the cooperative society in view of the amendment which has been brought about to Section 70 of the Karnataka Cooperative Society Acts in year 2000. Subsequent to the said amendment, dispute as regard any claim of an workman employee as regards wages or otherwise would have to be referred to the registrar for decision, and no civil or labor or revenue court or industrial tribunal shall have the jurisdiction to entertain any suit or other proceedings in respect of such dispute. Further, the bench noted that Section 70 of the Act deals with the dispute which are to be referred to the registrar for decision, which includes in terms of Section 71 of the Act disputes between the society and any officer, agent or employee. Any such dispute shall be referred to the registrar for decision, and no civil, labor or revenue court or industrial tribunal shall have jurisdiction to entertain any suit or other proceedings in respect of such dispute. Thank you. See you in next video with some more information.